Hi boys and girls, my name is Stephanie and I work for the Greenwich branch of the Gloucester County Library System, and welcome to the craft for today. So we are going to make rainbow popsicles from instant pudding, milk, and food coloring. So this is going to be awesome. All right, so what you'll need is a packet of Jell-O. Make sure it says instant pudding, not the cook and serve. And then you're going to need 2 2/3 cup of milk. We need to use a little bit more milk with this pudding recipe because it's going to go in the freezer and it expands. So we're going to mix the Jell-O pudding with the milk. And for a non-dairy option, I'm using almond milk. So you can definitely substitute regular milk for a different kind of milk. Okay, so we're gonna whisk it together. Okay, make sure it's all mixed together. You don't see any lumps anywhere. It's gonna look really watery, and that's okay. Next thing you're gonna do is take 5 bowls and you're going to divide your pudding mix among the 5 bowls. Okay. So just get them as evenly as you can. Maybe start out by pouring just a little bit in each bowl first, and then adding more after you've filled them. Okay, so we have 5 bowls of pudding. All right, so now what you're going to do is grab your food coloring. Okay, so you can make whatever colors you want. I'm going to stick to the traditional colors of the rainbow. I know there's usually 7, but we're going to stick to 5 because that's all the recipe makes. So, all right, so we're going to use a little bit of red, put a couple drops in there, and then just mix it around. Whoa. That's a deep red. Okay, next I'm going to use blue. About 6 drops of each dye will bring out your color. Obviously, the less drops you use, the lighter it is, the more, the darker. And use some yellow. Okay, and green, of course. Okay, so for my last color, I'm going to do purple because I love purple. So, how do we make purple, boys and girls? That's right, red is one of them. What's the other color? Blue. Red and blue make purple. Awesome. Good job, guys. Put about the same amount in. To meet all 5 of your colors, you're going to put them in the fridge. Okay, so I took my pudding out of the fridge, and if yours is still a little bit runny, you can add a little bit more pudding into it to kind of thicken it up a little bit. After you do that, you're going to get Dixie cups and a meatloaf pan. Okay, and what you're going to do is fill in your pudding layer by layer. So you're going to take some of the, we're going to start with red. We're going to take some of the red pudding and put it in the bottom. And then shake it a little bit so it evens out. Okay. Then you're going to do your next color. And I'm going in order like this, but you don't have to follow that, obviously. It should be almost filled to the top, and that's okay because don't forget when we put things in the freezer, they expand. So we want to leave a little room for that. So then take a piece of tin foil and carefully cover it. Then you're going to take a popsicle stick and poke it right through the tin foil so it looks like this, okay? And then place it in your meatloaf pan. And you're going to continue that same process with the rest of your Dixie cups. And these are rainbow popsicles, but if you wanted to do a pattern, you can also do that too. They're your popsicles. You can do whatever you want with them. And this is great because everybody gets to make at least one or two. If you wanted to throw some fruit in there, you could throw fruit in there if you wanted to. For those who like to do little science experiments. Okay, so after you're done all of your little popsicles, you're gonna stick them in the freezer for at least 6 hours. And then you can take them out, unwrap them, and enjoy. Thanks for watching today, guys. Bye.